Education is one of the things that must be followed by all people in Indonesia and even throughout the world. According to Wikipedia, education is a planned basic effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have religious spiritual strength, self-control, personality, intelligence, morals, life knowledge, general knowledge, and the skills they had for a society based on constitutions. Education is important for life so that we can gain a lot of knowledge. One of the highest levels of education today is college. College is the fundamental of education and one level above high school. This level of education focuses more on students' interests, talents, skills to prepare them for a better future, to elevate them from poverty, for pursuing a good profession for the future. It costs a lot of money to spend. I understand tuition fees itself has a negative effects to the students. However, school administration will not survive without increasing tuition fees. Due to the high demands of increased salary of lecturer, teaching staff, and non-teaching staff, and other personnel, as well as to improve facilities, school equipments, laboratory, and to upgrade the standard for the benefits of students to give them the best education. Tuition fee is often a problem experienced by students. It's considered to have a large nominal value, which ultimately become a burden for students and parents. A higher increase in tuition fees of several state universities in Indonesia has sparked from public condemnation, and students denounces the increase of the tuition fees that lead them to demonstration that prompted the Senate to investigate the increase of the tuition fees. In addition, this tuition fees is no longer make sense with the increase of tuition fees. This year or next year, Indonesia will suffer the consequences of loss of students who could not afford to enroll for a bachelor degree or other degree, and therefore will affect the number of bachelor degree, master's degrees, and doctorate. And the government will hire other people from different nations with various professions to work in Indonesia as the consequences of higher tuition fees. Indonesian students lost their rights for better future as a result of higher tuition fees increase that was approved by the government official. Before approval of the said tuition fees increase, it should be evaluated, observed, studied, and hopefully the government should open their eyes, ears, and hearts to see and witness the existing condition and situation in these current events. Higher education is necessary for Indonesia's young generation. Education should be accessible to all citizens, young and old as well. In my opinion, it is currently too difficult for all groups to achieve. That many students has been stopped in studying because they could not afford the higher increase of tuition fees, as I read and watch on YouTube. Aside from that, it is sad to say and had a big impact in the lives of many people, especially the underprivileged and the poor. That education will be left behind. Previous years, there was no increase of tuition fees, But there are many Indonesian children and students who are not able to take the higher education, and some was dropped out. In this present time, with the issue of the tuition fees increase and being approved by the government, I concluded that the future of Indonesia become behind due to a lack of human resources. Present situation now, from a physical perspective, Indonesia country is now in progress, as I can observe and see the beautiful and luxurious buildings were built and well admired by other countries. Therefore, we also have to build a quality people through education by reducing tuition fees so that many young people can continue to study at university, so that in the future they will build the nation, and we and they will also be the builder of the future generation, or become the stronger foundation of the nation. For this reason, let's work together to pursue to make our nation smarter and brighter future that will bring Indonesia to reach its goal, meaning a progressive and well-developed country as a nation.